tackling some of the problems that George Bush may have made far worse, but that had festered long before George Bush ever took office. These are not new problems that we're facing. We've been talking about the health care crisis in this country for decades now, through Democratic and Republican administrations. And the American people are asking, when can we actually get something done that will provide us some relief? We've been talking about the perils of our addiction to foreign oil for decades now, through Democratic and Republican administrations, and yet year after year after year, nothing changes. And the American people are asking, when can we actually start dealing with this problem? They don't want to wait any longer. And that is why in this election, it is not sufficient to run the same old conventional textbook Washington-style campaign. That kind of campaign just won't do in this election season. Not answering tough questions because we're worried that the answers might not be popular just won't do in this election season. Telling the American people what they want to hear instead of what they need to hear won't do in this election season. Poll testing every position because we're worried about what Mitt or Rudy or Fred or Tom or whoever those folks end up nominating. That just won't do in this election. Not this time. Not at this moment. Not at this moment. You know, change in America happens not because we try to win an election, but because we're focused on something larger. And if all we're doing is operating out of fear and timidity, that's a formula for losing. The American people want something bigger. They want something bolder. And, you know, I'm proud to be a Democrat. I want everybody's vote. I'm greedy. I want everybody's vote, but I'm proud to be a Democrat. And what makes me proud is when I think about the party of Jefferson and Jackson and Roosevelt and Kennedy. They have always led, not by polls, but by principles, not by calculation, but by conviction. That's when this party means something. When we summon the entire nation around a common purpose and a higher purpose, that's when we make a real difference, a meaningful difference in the lives of the American people. And I am running for president because that's the kind of party